Oh, look at that. If you really knew how excited I was to get my turkey red hot, go with my hot sauce. Because this is George's hot sauce and barbecue. So we rock with soul food, hot sauce, and barbecue. That's right. You need to go outside, Coco. And you can hand in your food. We have rice for you. Go outside. Coco is demanding to be fed at this moment. Hunger inducing, hey. You should be eating, hey, Kelly, what's up with the ciabatta burgers? When the next time you're going to make ciabatta burgers? Because you was doing ciabatta bread like crazy last time we were streaming and chatting. Say you couldn't stop making ciabatta bread. Fun things to cook with ciabatta bread. That'd be sweet. You got me having that video, Kevin. I'm sure thinking about something. Once again, I don't trust this chicken. When I'm in doubt, I give it 6 more minutes. At least I know I ain't gonna burn that damn thing the hell up. So while we got that going, let's go on and make the Nashville sauce. Let's make the Nashville hot sauce real quick. That's nothing. You can do that real fast.